Alright, the second handout on 5.2, we're going to do ratios and rates. So we'll look at both top and bottom, and again, ratios, we're looking at the same units, and if I do a rate, we're doing different units. So just kind of keep that in mind, same and different. Okay, so we'll do the odds, 1, 3, 5, 7. Then on the bottom, same thing, we'll just do the odds. Okay, start with number 1. 18 blue cars over 42 blue cars. This is very similar to the last handout we did. Since they're both even, I'm going to reduce them by 2. So that'll give me 9 over 21. Again, I divided by 2. Now, I noticed that 3 can go into both of those. So I'm going to divide both sides by 3. 3 goes into 9 3 times. 3 goes into 21 7 times. So there is my ratio, 3 over 7. Or again, if you wanted to, 3.7 would also be fine. Or in words, okay, I'm going to write this sideways, 3, 2, 7. So make sure you understand it can be written any one of those 3 ways, means the exact same thing. And it's a ratio because I'm comparing the exact same units. Number 3, 21 over 36. I have a feeling that 3 goes in everything. So divide everything by 3. 3 goes in 21 7 times. 3 goes into 36 12 times. And I am all done. Again, 7 is prime, and 7 cannot go into 12. So final answer, 7 over 12. Number 5, 18 over 22. They're both even, so I can divide things by 2 right away. 2 goes into 18 9 times, and then 22 11 times. And I am all done. Number 7, 16 quarts over 20. 4 goes into both of those. Okay, so 4 goes into 16 4 times, and 4 goes into 20 5 times. All done. So 4/5. Again, I can always rewrite this 4.5, or in words 4.25. Again, the meaning is still the same all the way through. All right. Number 9. Now I'm comparing 4 inches of snow in so many hours. Since these are different, I'll be looking at the rate, again, comparing different things. So if I divide them out, 4 divided by 7, so I have to get my calculator out again, 4 divided by 7, and I get 0.57. Now it says round to the nearest hundredth, so this is going to be 0.571. So I round it off to the nearest hundredth, which is the second place. So 0.57 inches per 1 hour. Again, once I divide it out, my bottom number is always 1. So 0.57 inches per 1 hour. And that's a good question. How can I also rewrite that? 0.57 inches per 1 hour. So also, I'm going to circle that. That little word here, per, stands for that division sign. Number 11, 6 pencils for $13. Now normally we always put money on top, so I'm going to do that. I'm going to switch it around. $13 over 6 pencils. So I'm going to divide that out. 13 divided by 6, 2.166. Okay, so rounding off to the nearest hundredth, 2.16, oops, change that to a 7, so $2.17 per 1 pencil. Again, 2.17. Again, it was a 6 and I had to round up to 7. Number 13, 4 calculators cost $150. So I'm going to put dollars on top, because that's normally what you do when you have money. $150 over 4. So divide that out. 150 divided by 4 is 37.5. So when I write this, I have 0.5, and I'm going to put a 0 on there because that's got to go to the hundredths position, and that's going to be for one calculator. Okay, and you can abbreviate, always abbreviate, use symbols if you can. And 15, the very last one, 12 chocolate bars cost $22. So 22 over 12. 22 divided by 12 is 1.833, and it's a repeating 3 over and over again. So when I write this down, leave it the last 3, and that's dollars per chocolate bar, so per 1 bar. And we are all done. So there's your final answer. So you guys can go back through and do the evens on this side, double check your answers with the answer sheet to make sure you're getting them right, and then the unit rights as well. If you think you got it, great, and then you can go on right on to the assignment. Okay, good luck, and we'll see you with the next handout on 5-3.